This is an introduction to quiz number 1, data visualization and misleading access. So this is related to chapter 2 concept. You are going to submit this quiz through Canvas. It will be in the assignments. You also can find it in the modules, which I'll put it up. You have 4 tasks to do. First task is to read the article here, misleading access article, which will take you to another website. So you'll read that. And if you want to hear a lecture from the University of Washington that's related to this topic, the website's related to the video lecture. You could also view the lecture to hear about misleading access. So that's your, you can decide how you want to do that. And then you have the four prompts there. There's a rubric assigned with those prompts. So you want to make sure you follow that so you can get your full credit. Make sure you're following the due date when it's due. It's on the calendar. Additionally here, the first thing here is state one interesting or surprising idea you found in the article. Make sure you address that and why was it interesting, surprising. Make sure you follow your page limits. Second task is to identify a chapter 2 related concept that is evident in the article. State what the concept is and the context of how it's used in the article. So not only what the concept is, but how is it related in the, how is it used in the article, and then make sure to include a reference to the page number from the textbook of where that concept is, so I know that you're relating it to chapter 2. Third task is choose a topic of interest to you. So think of something that interests you in your life or in the world that is not from the article, and then you want to search the internet to find a misleading graph that is related to the topic. So for example, if you're interested in baseball, interested in fashion, interested in crime, poverty, you would see if you could find a misleading graph related to that topic, include it with your submission, and then explain why that graph is misleading. So that's what you got to do for the quiz. Take a look at it, think about it, and see if you have any questions.